We're going to play Chocoboca roleplay, and I'm playing music right now so we can make it even more calming. Anyways, let's start this video until you reach the end. Okay? Okay. Okay. Why? Oh, bro, why did I jump into this? Where's Tokaboka boy? Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm not new. I just played this game before. Like, for real. Let's decorate this house until this house will get so messy. Me my shoes. I'm wiki. I cannot open.
Thank you. I bought some corn for your lunch tomorrow kay Kuya wants his lunch kay he got a field trip to the Smoky Hill Museum. So I also got you something. Look what I got.
Is it cute?
Yeah.
That's
A lunch box that has a sport.
Oh, thank you. Is this mine?
Yes.
Thank
Ah, she sold me and look at the other things.
Yeah, thank you, Mama. I need to drink.
Drink what?
Cola.
Drink cola.
That one. Look, I saw it.
Uy, okay na naman yun ang mga ginagamit niya sa plain salt sa box. Plain salt na natin salt. Walang halong ayuda.
You're going up. La la la. Pop mop. Pop mop. Pop mop. Pop mop.
Do you like this?
Yes.
This one is yours.
Yeah.
I know you're gonna love it because it has a store. Do you like it?
Yes.
How many percent?
349. Actually, 1K.
I want to clean up ba? Haba, nag-iba na yan ah. 1K na yan. How many subscribers do you have?
3.